Hey guys, welcome to Roost Vans. We're going over our latest build, Wellmaker. It's a 2022 148 wheelbase transit all-wheel drive extended. Now we're introducing a new product here called the compact kitchen passenger cabinet, and it has a wonderful folding up countertop extension as well as some great storage underneath, and on front we have our power panel switch panel, as well as, in this case, a 2-burner sink stove combo. And we added a warm water on demand as well as cold water. Over on this side, we have a drawer cabinet as well as built in a Vitrifrigo 3.2 cubic foot fridge. We also have our articulating table that comes out and can provide access over to the passenger seat. In this build, the customer chose not to have a swivel seat for the driver's side. Underneath, we put in an Espar heater that's controlled on our switch panel, and that Espar heater is inside our 24-inch cabinet that we customized to house the heater. Our lower bench cabinets give a lot of flexibility in doing simple customizations during the build. Around the back, we have a 25-gallon water tank for this dually van. Now, he currently has a 2-panel bed system on here with an extension available for the 3rd panel that he can add as he needs to. The front panel of this flips up for better garage storage, and same thing out the back. The rear panel flips up for great garage access storage. On the passenger as well as on the driver, we have 2 open shelves and 2 closed shelves. We added some point-of-use lights around the kitchen area, and in the back we put in some extra USBs as well as a Sirico highly pointable fan, and of course a double row of lights on the ceiling for plenty of lighting next to the Max Air vent fan. Added a couple extra electrical outlets for use outside the van, and a flip down table. Now at the back we have a shower curtain connected to some magnets in the doorway, and then of course our inline hot water shower system, and as I mentioned before, flip up kit bed system in the back. We put in some L-track in the floor for easy tie downs. Now on our over the wheel well tank, you have water fill, you have a spray port, and as well as fresh water connection and pump access on the rear for your shower too. Visit us at roostvans.com.